Welcome back to the channel, all of you. And on today's video, we are just going to discuss about the major economy in the world, USA and China, and we are just going to discuss about this, so you can clearly understand how they are here. At 1960, US GDP was around 541 billion dollar, and China was around just $59 billion. Means USA was 10 times ahead than China. So that thing is illustrated over here. So you can see this curve also, recent value in million. Now at the present time, China GDP is around 19.5 trillion, and here US GDP is around 30.77 trillion. So we are just going to use this and make the data analytics tool. Okay, so I'm going to show you about this. So I think we need on just on this single Excel file. Okay, so let me open one tool here. Okay, now we are going to use on this. Okay, now we're coming very grounding data. Yes, it is on this. And all more and different things as you can add, so I can do it illustration on from TRD trade you are the export, you are the import. Sector SEC sectors CANTRVT and contribution to GDP fee of ULSTI and population for CFVIT capita and many more of to 2026. Now it will make an. Here is a Jupyter, so we are just going to use this Jupyter notebook for this, and I think previously I'm making on this one around the, I think I've discussed about the Nepal index. Then India also I've already discussed about this. So at the present time we are just going to discuss about the USA and China major economic contribution. So if you just want to run the no Jupyter notebook, then you can go here and just here is our code. Just type here JUPYTR. So let me show you this. Just type here JUPYTR Jupyter notebook. So it will run, and it will run on a local host. So your local host will be shown here like this. Then your folder structure will be shown like I have folder structure notebook on title for. So you have to install this, and if you have some issue, then you can change your environment variable, so you can easily run that also. Environment variable, go make here like this. Okay, so previously I have to work on Android Studio with Java, so I have faced some issue also. So hope you will not face such kind of the issue. Okay, and I'll clearly try to. So, yeah, they help all lot of. If even if we just have the very basic knowledge, then it will be very easier to do furthermore thing also. So that's sort of the thing we all have to understand. Okay, and if you have any issue also, then try to comment on the comment section. Let's just see about this. So I'll run this. 15 trucks. Now I'll get out one. I think so. It shows that file not found. I think we have to place that file here and here also. So let me wait. Wait for a while. I'll place that file. Yes, then I think here we have to, I have to place this. Okay, now I have placed that file. Then I'll run it again. Why this kind of issue here? So let's again try to solve this using AI. So let's see something. Mm, you can clearly understand about this. I'm just on the learning phase also. So but I'm making this video because I can also understand about the content and I can easily elaborate and teach you about this. So hope all of you can